we discuss the solution of a problem on group theory which has appeared in CSIR UGC National Eligibility Test. This question has appeared in the CSIR UGC National Eligibility Test held on 26th November 2020, and it is from the section B, carries 3 marks, and has only one answer to choose from the 4 options. The problem is, let X be a non-empty set P of X, P bracket X, P of X be the set of all subsets of X. In other words, it is the power set of X. On P of X, define two operations star and delta as follows. For all AB belongs to P of X, A star B is equal to A intersection B. A delta B is equal to A union B minus A intersection B. Which of the following statements are true? Option 1. Power set of X is a group under star as well as under delta. P of X is a group under star but not under delta. Second option. Third option. Power set of X is a group under delta but not under star. Fourth option. Power set of X is neither a group under star nor under delta. Solution. Let X be a non-empty set. P of X is the set of all subsets of X. It is the set of all A such that A is contained in X, called the power set of X. We have two operations star and delta on power set of X defined as follows. A star B is A intersection B. That is, star is the intersection. A delta B is equal to A union B minus A intersection B. True for all AB belongs to power set of X. That is, delta is the symmetric difference. And this is the Venn diagram for that symmetric difference. A union B minus A intersection B. And the operation delta is called the symmetric difference, and it is also equal to A delta B is equal to A minus B union B minus A. A minus B union B minus A, which is same as A union B minus A intersection B. And delta is called the symmetric difference. We have A star B is equal to A intersection B. Now we will discuss whether power set of X forms a group under this binary operation star, that is the intersection of sets. Notice that A intersection B is equal to A star B is equal to A intersection B, which is also a subset of X for all AB belongs to X. So therefore A star B belongs to power set of X for all AB belongs to power set of X. That is, the operation star is closed in power set of X. The first condition, first axiom of the group is satisfied. The second, the operation star is associative in power set of X because the intersection of sets is associative. It is a well-known result. Third, X is the identity under star in power set of X. For all A belongs to power set of X, we have X star A is X intersection A. X intersection A is A because A is a subset of X. And A is equal to A intersection X because A is a subset of X. That is equal to A star X. So X star, that is, X is the identity element. X star A is equal to A star X. X is the identity element. Let A belongs to power set of X, A not equal to X. Assume there is a Y belongs to power set of x such that y star a is equal to y intersection a is equal to the identity that is x. This is not possible since y intersection a is a subset of both y and a. So this tells you the no subset a of x, a not equal to x, has an inverse under star. That is, the existence of inverse condition is not satisfied, and thus power set of x is not a group under star, that is the intersection. Let's see. So power set of x is a group, which is false. Second, power set of x is a group under star. It's not. Therefore the options 1 and 2 are not true. Now we will discuss the group structure under the binary operation delta. A delta B is equal to A union B minus A intersection B for all AB belongs to the power set of X. This is what we have. And A delta B is equal to A minus B union B minus A. A, B are power belongs to power set of X. A minus B is also a subset of X. B minus A is also a subset of X. Their union is also a subset of X. So therefore, A delta B is a subset of X. Therefore, A delta B belongs to power set of X. For all AB belongs to power set of X. This tells you delta is closed in power set of X. The operation delta is also associative in power set of X. That is, A delta in brackets B delta C is equal to in brackets A delta B delta C for all ABC belongs to power set of X. This may be seen from the Venn diagram. It may be seen from the Venn diagram. I will show you the Venn diagrams. Now this is A intersection B. A intersection B. Now A intersection B in brackets intersection C will be this colored ones. Colored ones is A intersection B in brackets intersection C, that I have written A delta B minus C union C minus A delta B. So first A delta B minus C. So this shaded portion is A delta B minus C. So and union C minus A delta B. So from C you have to subtract A delta B, and this is the C minus A delta B. And the union of these two is this one. This shaded portion is the union of these two. Next, B delta C is this portion. B minus C unions C minus B. And A delta in brackets B delta C, first I will consider A minus B delta C. A minus B delta C. Then B delta C minus A I will consider, and I will take the union. So the shaded portion is A minus B delta C union B delta C minus A. So the shaded portion is B delta C minus A, and the union combine them, and that will be equal to this. The shaded portion is this. So the first one is A delta B in brackets delta C is this. The second one A delta in brackets B delta C is this, and you can see they are equal. They are equal. So in brackets A delta B delta C is equal to A delta in brackets B delta C. Thus associative law is satisfied for the binary operation delta. So thus delta is associative. And if you want a proof for this, not through Venn diagrams, but if you want a proof, I have made another video to show that delta is associative in power set of X. We continue. We have this A delta B, and the third condition, phi is the identity under delta in power set of X. How? We will see. For all A belongs to power set of X, we have A delta phi. A delta phi is equal to A union phi minus A intersection phi. A union phi is A minus A intersection phi is phi. A minus phi is A. And similarly, you can also show phi delta A is equal to A. So, so that means phi is the identity under the operation delta. Now we see the existence of inverse. For each A belongs to power set of X, we have A delta A is A union A minus A intersection A. A union A is A minus A intersection A is A. So it is A minus A, that is equal to 5. So that means A delta A is equal to the identity, that is 5. That is for each A is the inverse of itself. So each A belongs to power set of X is the inverse of itself under delta in power set of X. Thus, power set of X acquires the group structure under the binary operation delta, the symmetric difference of sets. So thus power set of X is a group under delta. So in this power set of X is a group under delta but not under star is the correct option. Therefore, the option 3 is true, the option 4 is not true. And that is the discussion of the group structure of power set of X under two operations, intersection and delta. And we note A delta B is equal to A union B minus A intersection B. A union B can be written as B union A minus A intersection B can be written as B intersection A. And since union and intersection are commutative, you can write this, and this will be precisely equal to B delta A. And this is true for all A B belongs to the power set of X. A delta B is equal to B delta A. That means delta is commutative, and hence power set of X under delta forms an abelian group. So that is the discussion of the problem on power set of X about the group structure under two binary operations, intersection and symmetric difference. I hope that you have understood the problem, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.